Alma of the Airwaves, Lucky of the Orange Couch. On March 2nd, 2021. It's a Tuesday. And today we have no water all day. No running water. We realize that it's a bit late, but it's okay. So we'll survive. Today, book recommendation of the day. You have to check this person whose name is Lavi Ajawi Jones. Okay, Lavi has an interesting spelling. L-U-V-V-I-E Ajawi Jones. Okay. Her book is called I Am a Professional Troublemaker. Please also, I will put the link to her TED Talk. An amazing young lady from Nigeria who claims that we need to tell the truth no matter what. She says there are three things that we have always considered when we want to tell something to the world. 1, did I mean it? 2, can I prove it? Can I defend it? 3, did I say it with love? So check her out. Project of the day, progressing on my, oops, okay. So this is this is Black Spruce in Autumn by Tom Thompson. Remember, I attended the workshop. So this is far from the original, but I'm getting there. So I'm working on this. This is my project of the day. And the teacher used paper plates for her palette. Beautiful. I don't have to wash them anymore. So, and the beautiful, almost 3-minute video from the beach because it was a beautiful sunrise. So enjoy the day. We'll see you tomorrow. Tomorrow is going to be Wednesday and it's going to be March 3rd.